In Creo 13, we continue expanding the functionality of the process documentation export in Creo NC. Now to support the following in the automatic shop floor report. You can now generate a report for selected steps. We have a collector to capture which toolpaths will be included. A new option is introduced to include fixture parameters in the summary section of the report. Also, you can now increase the size of the Program 0 coordinate system in the manufacturing model image. For solid tools, the report displays the parametric representation image of the tools along with a solid geometry image for the case of solid geometry tools. These enhancements provide the following benefits: provide additional details in the report, create a partial report for selected NC steps, a visual improvement for the Program 0 coordinate system, the size of the coordinate system, and a more comprehensive information about tools. Thank you for your attention.